Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to lock apps in iPhone or iPad in iOS 18 beta. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and you have updated your iPhone to latest version iOS 18 and want to lock any app, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings here. From here you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this you need to click on general and you need to update your iPhone first to iOS 18. As you can see here, I have already updated to iOS 18 beta. So guys, after doing update, new feature will be added, that is lock apps. So guys, how can you lock? For example, I am going to lock Instagram app. Click and hold on your app that you want to lock, and here you can see the option of require password. Click on it, and here you can see the option of hidden. You can hide your app as well. And guys, if you want to lock simply lock, you need to click on require passcode, and here you need to set any passcode that you want to set. For example, I am going to set this one, and guys, after this your app will be locked. When you have opened your app, then guys you need to enter your passcode that you have set now. So guys, this is the way to lock your app as you want. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.